Hello everyone and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I am going to be showing you how to do this super easy rose nail art design with using the alcohol inks that a lot of people are using right now. So to start off, these are all the products that I've used for this design. I've used the Luxio gel polish in Forever. It's a really pretty nude. I've used the matte top coat and I'm using the one by Ugly Duckling. Then for the alcohol ink, I'm using the Marble Tints by Sherry, and this is the color Cinnabar Red. The gel play color in Glistening Gold, and the gel play colors are made for nail art, so they're really nice for doing hand-painted designs. And I'm also using the Prussian Blue gel play, which is a really dark navy blue, almost black, but it's definitely a really pretty dark blue. I'm using a couple nail art brushes. This one is the Detailer brush from Ugly Duckling. It is a very, very tiny brush. And I'm also using the Light Elegance swirly brush, which is a little bit bigger than the Detailer. And any brush that's kind of similar to these will do just fine for this look. So I'm starting off first with 2 coats of that Luxio Forever and then 1 coat of the Ugly Duckling matte polish, and then I've cleansed the matte top coat. So we're starting with a matte finish, and I'm going to be applying the alcohol ink, the red alcohol ink, in kind of like a rounded motion, and this is going to be the start of our roses. And the alcohol inks dry very quickly, so you can do this design so fast once you kind of get the hang of it. You kind of just go back and forth making these like rounded motions with the alcohol ink. Every time that you drag your brush on the nail, you're going to be creating more and more lines, which are going to give the effect of having different petals and more like detail into the rose. And then also the more that you apply, the darker it's going to get. So I like to kind of apply more towards the center so that it's a little bit lighter petals on the outside, and then it gets darker towards the middle of the rose. And once you're happy with the look, it doesn't need to cure. It air dries really fast. So then we're going to go in with the petals. And I am using this blue color because the design that I had originally done this set on, we did like navy blue, nude, and then the flowers. So the navy blue leaves went with the rest of the design, and I really ended up liking this color combination. But you could totally do green or black leaves, whatever kind of design that you're looking to create. And I started off using the Detailer brush. However, I did switch to the Light Elegance swirly brush just because it's a little bit bigger, and this is quite of a big long nail, so the other one was just a little bit too small for me. And then once I am done with those, I'm going to cure that in my lamp. Once I've finished with the leaves and I've cured those, I'm going to go in and I am going to add just a little bit of sparkle in the middle of the rose with that glistening gold. And this just adds just that like little bit of pop that I feel like it needs. And I'm using the detailer brush just to kind of add little dots and add a little bit of detail in the center. And then once I'm happy with that, I'm going to cure that. Lastly is to top coat. I'm using that Ugly Duckling matte top coat to do the whole design in matte. And here's just kind of an idea of what it would look like if it was shiny. And if you are doing this on a client, I would recommend doing 2 top coats just so that you make sure that alcohol ink is sealed in there nicely. So once that is done curing and I've cleansed the top coat, this is the finished look. Super pretty and super easy to do. You could do different colors with this depending on what alcohol inks you have. It's super, I love that because the alcohol inks dry really fast and you don't have to cure it. You could do this so quickly, and you could just add a couple leaves and a couple little details in the middle and your clients are good to go. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This was a highly requested design when I posted it on Instagram, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.